pretty new drive you've got.
Yeah.
You have to wait for speed trial. That'd be a long piece of string on it. That's sure you don't lose it.